Hello and welcome to today I didn't forget to unmute myself. Today is the launch day of BOOMBOXERS. The game isn't done. I'm doing frantically trying to get some graphics into the game, and at the same time setting up the Google Play Store launch page. Uh, yeah, just carry on with me, and then I need to code these features and build an APK file. Right now I'm downloading also the APK build. No Android module loaded. Install with switch platform. Boom, switch platform. Importing compression. Okay, it's doing things. Look. I'm using AI. I tried to get Gencraft. Gencraft, you're missing. Okay, here I tried finding some assets on Asset Store. I have my own assets. I have a couple of my own assets. Let's see if I can sign in and find. Not sure if I can put in 3D things. I should test it out. I should test out with a cube and then see what happens when it rotates or something, because then I can put in a 3D model of a boombox, and I know how to animate 3D in Unity. I'm very fast at doing that, so I can do that, put some legs on, and then it's done. See, okay, compiling script for Android. I think I have a boombox, 3D boombox, because I use one for a VR game actually. There we go. I'm back. Okay. Let's see. Take here. Here's some assets I got. A bunch of free assets, a bunch of bought assets. Dungeon Polygon. Actually, let's check this out. Do we get any? But there's no boombox here. No, there's no boombox here. Monsters, forest, quirky series animal. 3D simple items. This one I think might contain a boombox, if I'm right. Here we go. Got a couple of boomboxes. They do not quite look like the one I generated though. How do we deal with that? Okay, let's skip that. It's too hard to find the what's the problem here? Okay, I might need to look at the Android external 2 settings. I'm just gonna send it to, I think I got an SMS, gotta check. I invited my friend Shandor to the launch party, and I just sent the error message. Ensure you're using the correct version of Unity supports. Check it, I'm pretty sure. But install in Unity. I might need to, it might solve itself if I just restart Unity. Package manager Android build support might be needed. Right. I've generated a bunch of images to use in the game to match the songs. So 5 songs I've done. So I'm gonna make some kind of algorithm here on the identity, different identity. Let's see here. So we got the dancer here. When it touches the boombox, where do we put the code? Is it warden or dancer that has the code? The dancer has the code, I think. It turns red. It then needs to check. So the dancer should have a function that says random identity, which gives it a random identity picks. Maybe we need to make a matching list where I had to have the song and yeah, I think that might be the best case. Or a matching number. Matching number might be quicker to make, but not good coding practice. If I make like a dictionary, then I had to use my brain a little bit more. Let's just use a number and do it very simple to understand, but really child play code. So each song has an index, and each image dance images, these one have indexes and they match, like it's 0 to 3, 0 to 3 in this, no wait, it's 5, 0 to 4, 0 to 4. And then we need the selected song. Actually, that one, selected song index somehow. This one randomly pick image. I'm not gonna have time to make animations, I think, today. We'll just have some gonna be tough. Time tough. Well, here's an image. You can see a dance lizard in the desert. I'm gonna use. I'm gonna start by changing the just a static image of the of Warden, the boomboxer, that boomboxer man thing. I wish I could have it cut out. I'm not gonna have time to cut it out, I think. I'm not gonna have time. Where are you? There we are. There's a warden. And then we have dancer. Maybe it can be in that size. And this dancer can be same size. Actually, let's delete this dancer and fix this one and then copy it. So I'm gonna update this dancing script and also take a look at the I have so little time, I don't have even time to make a timer to keep track of time. So the stream will just be 30 minutes. And see if I can implement this in 30 minutes and maybe make an APK or maybe something. We'll see how far we get. Okay, when the dancer gets triggered by the player, it should not get component renderer. Oh, if the tag, then it hits. Check. Touch player. Touch. Should it? Here, when it touches the player, we need to check if current dancing picture and index matches the song. If yes, get eaten. I have no idea to do a get eaten thing. So what's the, so actually we need also random, what does it say, ID, random ID. Here we set a random dancing picture and index. We should, if we do it smartly, we should use the game controller and then connect the game controller to the dancer somehow. Images. A list of images or sprites. What is it? Sprite, I guess. Dancers. There, then we can match them. A real programmer would combine this maybe into a dictionary. Sprite audio clip dictionary or something. Current song, it plays until you change song. Right, so you can get that one. Let's make it public so all the code is in the dancer. Why not? Let's go. Okay, now we got some dancer there. So let's see if this. Let's test it out. Here we find. We can find game controller, and then dancers 0. Can I do that? It's a sprite. Can we get the dancer there and then just set the sprite renderer? What's it called? What's it called? Sprite renderer. What's wrong? Sprite renderer. Sprite. That should match. And we get the first one. We'll try it out. And we'll do it in the start. Just try it out. What else we need? Game controller here should have a bunch of dancers. 5. Let's see if we can put them in. Beat mechanic. It's like a cowboy thing. I generated a cowboy image. Where is it? There's a cowboy. This is like a synth. And this one I decided to be a cat. And this is a Mexican one. I generated a Mexican image, but then I decided to go with a lizard instead. To not let the AI be so stereotypical about a Mexican dancer. So I'm just gonna have a lizard there. And then a song on a piano, and then I just generated an image with a hat on a piano. There we go. Let's see if it picks Dancer Cowboy as its sprite. Boom, there we go. Perfect. So here we got let's have a, should be private or public? I don't know. Let's do it private. Int index. dancer index. Call it dancer index with a small there, and dancer index. Now random range. Now in this case I know this is bad programming. This is really bad programming, but it's prototype programming. I call it prototype programming. And then use this here, boom, and that is dancer image. And then here we need to check, so if is equal to the matching, then we need to get this one again. We should probably do this index, current song index. If those match, then let's do debug log yes match, else no match. Should work? No. So beat mechanic should be matching with the dancer cover, so this one should not match. And then we should get the no match, no collide, no match. Great. And let's switch the song so it matches. Okay, now we got a lizard, which is a lizard. Match, perfect. But I didn't feel like it was random because it was the lizard, so gonna see if it becomes okay. Now it becomes the cowboy. It should be a match with the cowboy song. Dang match, perfect. Good programming. Good job. Good job. Good job. Perfect. Good job. Now we also need to run this. Let's do it public. So we can run this one in, is it the world scrolling? Yeah. Let's do get component in children and find a dancer. What's it complaining about? And then get they do the random ID. Boom, gets a random ID when it spawns. Also the dancer do it in the start, and that is okay. It doesn't really matter. It will, yeah, doesn't matter. Should be running it because otherwise it will just look like this and not be matching. So now we should actually be able to copy this one and put another one here. Maybe we can put one here, and maybe even put, no, actually it doesn't go through all of them. Actually kind of needs, this is, what is this, level design? Deciding how far between, so it doesn't get boring that you have to walk forever to. Okay, well, let's try this. We should get no match. Now we should get a match. And then we should get, it should flip there soon. There we go. And we got a new. We should put the dancer in the beginning here. It's so far away. What's this button? Unity vertical. Okay. I don't know what to do now, so I'm gonna just put another dancer there. But if I do this, then I need to update the code to a for loop. This is feature creep. I'm gonna do it this time, but this is a couple of minutes that I shouldn't do actually. Now, where do I do this? No, in the world scroll. Here, should go through get like a for loop looping. No, a for each loop. For each dancer, item dancer or D dancer in collection get components in children dancer. There we go. Yeah, and then dancer random ID. It was a quick feature creep. I don't know if it works, but let's see. Let's see. Now we can put as many dancers as we want as children of this game object. Seems like it worked. I knew it. Okay. What else? Is this done now? Different identities on different dancers. It's done. I would say it's done. There's no animation of getting eaten and stuff, but I'll consider that connect to animations. Dancer check, if music, if match get eaten. This one. Okay, the eating thing. The simplest way I can make this an actual game is that you have a high score of how many dances you've eaten. You have a high score of how many dances you've eaten. And you have lives. Can I make it even simpler? Would be fun to add something like you add different music, like you get new music as you progress or something like that. Let's if I just do a counter on many dancers you can get as many as you want, because nothing happens if you fail. Maybe you go for a while. Maybe there's a timer on how far you can get every time you match a dancer, but it's not going to be progressively harder. It's going to be easier and easier, because once you learn all the 5 matches, it's going to be so easy for you. Maybe when you learn to match all the 5, when you just matched all the 5, you finish the game. It's not a high score game. It's a linear game. You just need to find 5 matches. Okay, then we need to keep a control. Like, how do we do that? So maybe a list of booleans. So we have 0 is false up to 3. No, 4, because there are 5 songs in this case. And then update with each match and load win screen. Now I need more graphics, but what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna put something that they've already had as some text, or just put a button on top or something on top. Update with each match and load win screen. Boom. It's a hyper casual game, can't even fail. Where do we put this code? Game controller maybe? Matches maybe. So should it be here or should it be? It's better to do it here if you don't do prototyping. But I'm doing prototyping now, so I already have the code for matching here. So if there is a match, or wait, the dancer is, yeah, we can't have it in the dancer because I have many dancers. We're just gonna have one game controller. So here we're gonna need some methods. Match, and then int index, then bool index is equal to true, and if we'll go through everyone for each bool match in collection matches does work, right? Why doesn't it work? What's wrong here? Oh wait, I think this is a burnout. I'm burning out of all the hard work. I'm not afraid. It's no danger burning out. You just have to heal afterwards. And it's much more fun to burn. Matches index equal true, and then for each, and then we'll do just if anyone, if the match is false, we return. Otherwise, we do something like make a public private win zone. No, just win game. And see has to be a void here. There we go. Win. Here we're gonna change into something like change the scene. Just change the scene, or we'll show something on top of everything that can reset the scene. Right, so how many matches? It's just, we're just gonna have one match. But if we send the wrong, it's just gonna be an error and it's gonna continue. So should we temporarily make only cowboy? No, we'll just run it until we get the cowboy. Oh, perfect, we got the cowboy. We should match it and then win. Oh wait, we gotta run, the dancer has to run the game controller function, I think. No, that's the image. Here, match. Let's find this one again. Actually, now we have now we're using it so many times. Get controller. Just add it in the awake. There we go. Use it here and here. We're gonna do something. Match, and then we dancer index. This could, yeah. The logic is not on the right place, but whatever, it works right now. It does the matching now. Let's see if it works. I should only have to do it 5 times. Right? It's 1 in 5 that I get the cowboy. There we go. Collision, match, win. Perfect. I'll just collide and win. Okay. We can probably delete this message. Collide. Just keep it a little bit cleaner. So now we have update with each match win screen. I realized I got a bit sidetracked. I worked on this one to get Ethan, and then I started to work on this one. Now I need to make a decision which one I'm going to focus on. Which one is most important? I think this one is more important. Both one is equally important. But at the same time, this is on a post-it and this is on a whiteboard. So this is more. So maybe I'll do this one then. I'm gonna do this one. Only 3 minutes left. Will we be able to do it? I have no idea. Win. Let's do a win screen here, and let's just add what should we add? What art should we use? This one should also be 96 landscape. And then just put this one here. Can I? Okay, let's just put this one here. And can I do like fill it? Fill. and just add UI text. You win. You win. You win. And then make a button to play. Play again. I got so confused. I'm listening to a playlist and they started speaking Swedish in this techno. Boom. When things are in your native language, it's such a kick sometimes. Okay, we need this one to be centered and stuff. Why can't the button be centered? Oh, the text is centered. There we go. Play. Play again. And this one needs to play the first. Can I just do a new script? Boom. Play button. Create an ad. I don't know if this is feature creep or if it's necessary. Play game. So application start load, actually load level 0. Is this an old? I think this is old, deprecated. Scene manager. Time's up. Now I have to add the scene manager. So I guess I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna end the stream, but still the launch party is today. In a couple of hours. It's 6 o'clock today in Jörn, Swedish time. You are welcome to join. Hopefully I'll have a little bit maybe some drinks, maybe something to eat. I don't know. Maybe some music and hopefully the game. Maybe the game. Yeah, well, at least I can show the game, probably, hopefully. Scene manager, load scene 0. That's always gonna be it. And this one will be reset. So this one will hopefully be reset. So you can play it again. We got the play button, play game. Let's see if it works. There we go. Play game. And then just duplicate this scene. Where's the scene? There. Let's save it first. And then duplicate it and say this one is the start screen. Oh. The script should actually load number 1 then. Because the start screen will be 0. And the start screen will not have the you win text. Boom. And we'll say play. Play. There you go. Let's add start and win. Put it like that, and then we need to load in it's called the sample scene. Where is it? It's here actually. It should be called level or game. So where do we do the matching? In the dancer script, right? No, in the match one here. Win game here. We'll do the same thing as here, but we will load a different level. One will level the last one, the win level, right? So let's see if this, actually let's go to the start and see if everything works. It's wrong. Why does it start? I was in the wrong one. Okay, let's call this down win then. There. Here we go. Start. Then we have to start menu, scenes level, win. Okay. Let's see if this works. You click play. It should load this one. Here, listen to this beautiful music. I won. I didn't see. Maybe if I can. I get so anticlimactic. It's just empty. There's no music or anything. I need a win song, a win jingle. Can I just add the media from the game changer? Game changers media intro animation. This one. Boom. We will have this one. So let's see how we do that. Drag this in, and should I have this as the background? Okay, can I just drag it in? Where is it? We need to put the you win text a little bit down. So when I put it down, oh wait, I need to put it there or at the top. You can put it at the top. Oh, this is start menu. Oh yeah. Here we go. You win is anchored from the top, I think. Then put it up here. And then was I in the right? Was it during play I did? Yeah, it was during play I dragged it in. So okay, anyway. What? Why doesn't this work? I could drag it in play mode, but not. What happens if I do it like this? It's because I dragged it in onto that image. What the heck did I just do? This one has a video player component. This one stretch. Let's do stretch. Then if I put it here, it shouldn't matter, right? Yeah, you win. Game changers. Change the game. Play again. Here, if I'm smart, I would connect like a link to my YouTube if that's possible. If that's possible. Is it possible? It's feature creep though. So okay, well, let's try the game. See if it works again. I think I have to add like some boomboxer text here. Just have to. Like, it's not legal to not have any kind of boomboxer. And it should be should probably. Oh, I only have 2 fonts. Can I change the color somehow? Maybe this one or this one? No, can't see. This one, boomboxer. I think that's the best case. Now there's some more feature creep. There we go. Let's change to something that fits the image. Did it make a difference? Okay, there we go. Boomboxer. But I wonder. We don't have a boomboxer theme song. Like you start it, you can just click play. And then a match. Oh, it's a bounce. Yeah, because of that. Only matches the cowboy right now. I can hear 2. Yep, there we go. On the canvas, they just ended up everywhere when I dragged them in. Okay, it's just in the wind on the canvas. There we go. Now it should not be double. I kind of want to, in the intro, in the start menu, have like show game changers somewhere. Otherwise, it's just confusing. You play Boomboxer and then what's game changers? Game changers presents or something. Or Okay. Well, the time's up. I've played. I've developed gone over time. I'm gonna continue to develop, but off stream. Later today, 18 o'clock, launch party for BOOMBOXER. The lawn, grass lawn behind my detonator in Europe. See you later. Thanks for watching.